And that video you just watched there is from the man LDZ. LDZ is in the studio with me. LDZ, what's up, bro? How you doing?
Cool.
Nice. LDZ, where did that name come from? LDZ.
It's like a combination of two words actually.
L
and then DZ.
Okay.
L means elevating.
Okay.
Then DZ is also to dope and easy. So elevating in the dope and easy manner.
When you're one of those people that will open a shop and something enterprise.
Wow.
LDZ enterprise. Like. Yeah. Oh, the DZ is dope and
easy.
And easy.
So you elevate in a dope and easy way.
So how did you come up with this name? Who gave it to you?
I just formed it. I'm a rapper, so I put words together.
Oh yeah, I like that. LDZ. LDZ. Hip hop rapper.
Yeah, I'm a rapper. I do hip hop. I do, yeah.
I'm yet to come across an artist who tell me that no, I do specifically just this. Artists like to say that they can do everything.
Yes, because if you are like if you are doing just one thing, you are limiting yourself.
Is it?
Easy. But then I think I'll be that type someday, because when you get to the point where when you put something out there and then people will listen regardless, they don't want you to do what they want. I think I'll do it.
What do you like to rap about mostly?
Life. The struggles that people go through. The struggles I go through, just life.
Just like that.
Yeah.
I like that. All right. Anyway, I'm talking to LDZ here. He joins me this morning in the studio. He's got a brand new song titled
Fear.
Okay. Fear. So of all the things in the world.
Yeah. Fear is about like the anxiety of an ambitious talent trying to reach his.
The anxiety of an ambitious talent trying to reach
like his goals. Yeah.
He's got bars. So you chose to write about fear.
Yes. It was just one day I just woke up and I started writing how I feel, like how I really feel.
We checked the video out a couple of minutes ago, right?
Yeah.
We'll play it again, but let's do a cappella version of the verse. I want to just hear it out.
The more I go through pain, the less I gain. I invest in vain, I break no chains. I know I ain't no saint, I may not change, but I may lose my sane with this loose change. You blame me for the coward I am. Too much toss in my thick scalp. They hate me whenever I spread love. Lord, I'm trying to open up. Forgive my resistance. It got me choking up. I messed up too many times. So if you pissed off, I get it. But please show me a sign, Lord. I know you're tired trying to put me in line, but I blame the system too. It needs a refine, cause they never made it for the class of my kind. Reason I scared sometimes, they make a mess. I grew up in the kind of hoodie liga was a flex. If you steady through the mess, oh you're drunk. If you fake it so you get, catch a mugu, make a milli from the press or depressed. No joking, I state the facts only. Do you
do poetry?
I'm not really, but then I like to write that way.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
What were your favorite subjects in school?
Favorite subject: economics and geography.
Okay, I'm trying to connect the two. Like I thought you'd probably say literature.
No. There's no connection.
No connection.
But then I dropped that. Now I did film in University of Cape Coast. Yeah, I graduated 2020.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, fresh out of the box.
Yeah.
So what's the plan like? Music, work, fear?
Okay, so I did not do anything related to arts in SHS. I did elective maths, economics, geography.
Man.
But then I decided to switch to film because I feel like my whole life is about arts. I love arts, so why stick to this?
So why did you do those courses?
That time I was young. We were doing courses that we like our parents would say you're a shark.
So you were a shark, right?
You're a shark. Not really.
Oh, okay.
Not
average
really.
Students.
Average, yes.
Above average.
Average. I got a first class though, but average.
Bro, you're a shark.
Average.
Okay.
Yeah. So when I finished, then I decided to, okay, what do I want? I want to change the music scene, write deep. Visual wise, it's like sometimes you have what you want in your head, but then you can't put it out there. So if you have some knowledge of how to do the thing, you can actually control it even if you are not doing it yourself. So I decided to do film.
Okay.
Yes. So I did film in the University of Cape Coast.
Let me ask you this, your personal opinion on this, devoid of a conversation we're having. Since you mentioned school, would you have been happy if there was a course titled rap in university?
Yes, because I did music in level 100 and 200, and we were doing chorals and I didn't like it. So if the
choral, so singing.
Choral, yes.
Like,
yeah, chorals and instruments. Okay. That's what you do, like as a music student in Ghana. So
it didn't open up to other things.
No, not at all. Not even sound engineering. If you do sound engineering, it's when you are in 300, 400, but then 100 and 200 where you can drop the courses. No, you are doing.
Did you have
chorals.
a hard time trying to convince parents about this ambition? This.
No, my family, they are very supportive. What you want to do, so far as you are doing it.
Okay, so far as you get your first class.
Yeah. Yes. Like now you have your first class. You want to do music. Cool.
It's fine.
Yeah.
So they are behind this project.
Yeah. I set up a studio in the house. They don't have any problem with it.
You jam them with the.
Yeah.
I hope you've padded your room so that.
You make the noise, then they will come and tell you to close the windows and put on the AC. Please, don't disturb us. That's all.
I like that. Fear. So that's he's overcome something that he loves. Well, maybe it could have been a fear in his life, but this is music.
Yeah.
And, he's making it happen. So let's check out that video again. It's titled Feel. Right back. You don't love the song. It's deep, right? It's creative. It's a creative masterpiece built in about 3-4 minutes. I like that. He sets a lot in there. Who's D? Is it D7 or D7?
Yeah, D7 is like a brother to me. We've been coming up together. We actually live together. We do everything together. And he's the producer too.
Oh, okay. So he made the beat, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, shouts to him as well. I think that's a dope creative piece there. The way he switched in different tempos and
we decided to play with the time signature, the key and all that. Like
now, this is not commercial music. This is conscious music that doesn't really, compared to the Afro beats and that would just jam you. So how do you feel like? How do you think this would work out for you? In this space that we are in, where the demand is so much dancing. Okay, so that's why I said that I hope one day I get accepted, and then I'll be able to I'll be allowed to do what I love, because I feel like if maybe I'm a frontline artist and I'm doing songs like this, I'm doing creative pieces. It will influence the whole country, and it will influence the whole continent, and we will get there. Out of this you just said, what is your number one wish? Okay. You can tell Ghanaians though. Number one wish. The wishes are plenty. Number one. Yeah. Okay. To be successful, I think, in what I do. I don't want to measure success, but then just to get to a point where you get accepted for whatever you do. We don't just say, oh, okay, it's Afro song, we love it. If you do, no, just listen. We will listen to what you are saying and not the beats, just the beats. We will actually listen to the message that you are putting across. Yeah. First class students from University of Cape Coast speaking right there, LDZ, right? I like that. I like that. Look, nice hanging out with you. How do people find you on social media as well? At LDZ_live, ELDEEZY_LIVE. Yeah. And that's the man LDZ. We've been talking to him right now in the studio. It's got a song titled Fear. I'm sure it's on all the digital platforms. You can find it on there in the stores as well. All right, bro. Nice hanging out with you. Thank you, bro. It's a pleasure. Thank you. All right. Anyway, so celebration, jubilation all together. Now, Joy Entertainment celebrates the Music Man Kojo Antwi Friday, 4th September. Join us on Joy FM, Hits FM, Joy Prime, and online on our social media platforms. Listen in and sing along to some of Kojo Antwi's amazing songs. 4th September is Friday. You can't go wrong. You can't miss it. Take time. If you can't, tune into TV, it's going to be on social media and streaming live as well. So we'd love to have you.